Hello guys, how are you doing? My name is Michael and I am a QA engineer and software developer as well. It's a big pleasure to stay with you one more time. And Michael, what you have for us today? Guys, today I want to show you a project that I created based in our real scenarios. I mean, this project was appear in my mind, but he was based or just based no or but based and related to a real scenario and we are having um, in our life in some moments. But this scenario is I was looking for a job as well. I was find like job in relation to the QA insurance tester and automation test as well. But that is the point. And I'm using LinkedIn for that. I know we have different website, different another I mean another address that we can double check, like go in the company, in a lot of Indeed, Monsters, and so far. We can use uh different websites to search the new position that we are looking for, or that we just want to understand what is the right now in the very warm in the moment, what it's new in the moment, and what is old, and then we can just improve our studying and basing the job, the opportunities, and the opportunities posting in different links. But in this project, that's related to the LinkedIn as well. In the LinkedIn, it's very hard. No, but in some moment it's tired. Why it's tired? When we are looking for a job and we need to type like in the search QA engineering and press enter. Probably some postings there will be not related that we are looking for. Maybe they have some skill that, but in some points the skill doesn't match with our profile because we have different experience. We work in different companies. We did a lot of different projects, but it's very hard. Depends of the position as well. They match 100%. In this case, sorry, I thought, hmm, why if I created a project that could be grab this opportunity and show me the links and the best. I mean, if I can show the different, show the easy way, these links and the position that it met with my profile. And this scenario, I start to think in this project called Career Scout. And here, okay, this is its project that I'm doing. I started few months ago, and right now in the process. Guys, again, this is just a studied project. It's not I. If you ask me, Michael, which stage is your project? Maybe in the middle, but depends on what you expect. It could be the end of the project, but what I'm expecting right now is good. It's good for create a video, and I have something to show you. I like to have this keeping in mind. And yeah, of course, this is as I told you, it's a study project. The idea in here is not using for a product or sell or not. Of course, because right now this project privated on my GitHub is not public. It was public, but I decided to move to private. Why? Because it's not ready yet, and I want to spend more time in this and do something like just in what I'm like to do. I don't want to like spend a lot of time, and maybe I don't want to provide a project that could be weird for you understanding or using in different situations. But after that, this is the general of my project. And here the problem is identify the job based in my profile, okay? And here it's what it does: discover jobs across multiple search strategies, understand the main profession of each opportunity, filters out incompatibility rules, and so far. And here, how it's work. Okay, here it's the basic flow that I have. The candidate profile here, and job discovery, role clarification, filtering, matching, ranking, decision, apply, consider, or do not apply with confidence, permanent history, and dashboard API. And here, my dashboard, I mean, in this point, in this moment, my information will be transferred like from terminal VS Code to the web page. Okay. I created a dashboard, but I need to recreate again. I didn't like so much. But in this moment, I'm using my API to consume, sorry, my dashboard to consume my API and show the results that I feel comfort that I would like to show and use. Maybe could be different for you or not. Why? Because as I told you, this project is for studying, improve my knowledge, understand more about it. All right. And here I'm using Postgres and Fast API. Here I have like real results, multiple search families, duplicates removed, irrelevant rules, and best ranked. And here is the best scenario that I want to expect. In some perspective, it's working a kind of this, but I need to just make some adjustment and the make decision in here in the filtering to create this value or trustable enough. Right now it's studying as well, and I need to spend more time. And of course I'm using Python and LM. Yes, in here I didn't tell you, but yes, here I'm using ChatGPT API. Yeah. In some moment in my project during my flow, I'm taking this information and send it to just to the ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will return for me some information that I can use in my project. But I'm not using all the time ChatGPT. Oh, I mean API. I'm just using in specific moment to compare in like a thinker. Okay, this opportunity will be good or not. But this is just one more steps. But I have different layers here before I send to him. All right. I'm using Postgres, and I'm using the concept of agents. Mycon, where is our agents? Is not mentioned here, but yes, I'm using in here. This is the, you can see here, a lot of titles here. Titles here, it's related to the agents. Agent, it's crazy. Yeah, it's crazy. It's not easy to create. And one more information that I would like to show you, just to tell you. This it's a quickly overview this project. I will tell before, maybe I forget in the end, but right now I will just tell you. You can use this example to create in different projects. You don't need to base it on my just in here, because I'm using for grab the opportunity and see which one is best for me or not. Depends of my resume and my profile. But here you can use the same idea, like job discovering, rule classification, filtering, matching, decision, and permanent history. This is good for audit. Like I need to see if my jobs or my agents they are working as expected. One moment, guys. All right. And here, as I told you, you can use this idea to create your project as well. Right now, I'm using two different things. I'm using my idea. Yes, I am the guy. I am create the directions, but the code for create the code instead, I'm using ChatGPT and Codex, and I'm the mirror. Okay, just this. Why I'm using this way? Because I know the rules, I know the concept, I know what I'm looking for, and I know the correct direction. That is my point. And because of course I have some experience in software developer, and for me it's easy to understand where I need to go or not and avoid or not. And QA as well, to test if my codes in my class they are doing right, if nothing that the codex create for me, and I don't know, sometimes he just broke something, and I can use my test as well to verify if the code is continue working. And I'm the mirror of these two guys. And if sometimes if I'm not sure about something that ChatGPT or Codex do, I'm using external guides to think about it and okay, discuss, okay, this is a good direction that I need to go or not. But just for you understanding how I'm creating this project. Oh, Mike, it's 10 minutes to speak. You are talking so much. Yes, guy, I'm talking so much. Sorry, I like to talk. And let me just come back to the project. And here I'll be quickly. All right. Here it's my profile. Here I have title senior SDET. And here my experience and years. Basically, it's my resume in a JSON file. I just scroll down a little. All right, here my skills, professions, all our things. Here. Okay, whatever. And now here it's my right now I run this command. In this command we use my profile and different agents. Yeah, different agents to work and see which position is good for me or not. Let me just run in here in 1 second. In here I can do I can run more, but I will just run here. Maicon, what this in practice, and just could you tell me about a little more about this command? Basically, this command will open the LinkedIn, and as I'm using Playwright in here, open a LinkedIn, go in the search. I open after that I will open a link and I will show you. But open a link, put the title like QA engineering or software developer or whatever, and then I went there and grab the results one by one, the left sides and the right sides, and bring this for me and start to work with this code. Let me just run here. I will just put in this way. Okay, let me just run here. You can see here it's I will just copy this link for now. No, here. Oh, whatever. Let's just finish. See here, it's looking for processing here. He's grabbing some lot of the job opportunities related to the titles. And some that remember that I told you the LinkedIn, for example, when you start to search our preferred jobs, our opportunity, he doesn't show us the correct one. He shows like everything related to some specific skills that you have. And this time it's because of this point, it's hard to be precise and just we need to select 10 jobs, and these 10 jobs most of the time it's just 3 it's good for us. Okay, that's in my experience. Maybe you can have a different experience here, you as well. Don't, that's fine. Okay, let me just come back in here. All right, and here chops. Okay, sorry guys, I'm so fast, I promise. I will come back in here, just I will finish this. My god, you are running so fast. Okay, this is the end of the execution. Now I will open different files and show you what's happening here. I will start to be very short. And here, for example, here, this is the final report. Here. And yeah, for example, this opportunity, okay? Let me just open this opportunity. Here it's my API working. I use this for dashboard right now. And here, oh, I thought something wrong here. What am I missing here? Oh, I think it's not this way. Just a moment. Let me just looking for a link. Jobs when. Okay, I want one more time because I want to specifically. Sorry. One more time because I want this. Let me just open this way. Now I get it. And here I'm looking for like software engineering testing in Canada. Here and here I'm creating dynamically this information here as well. Let me just yeah. You can see here in the search I'm looking software engineering test in Canada. You see here I have 2 results in here. Sounds good. But yeah, I mean this is not match with my profile. This is the main reason that I decided to create this project. This project, it's okay. The main idea is to create the distinction between what I'm looking for and what it's LinkedIn it's showing for us. All right, and here probably it's almost done. Yes, guy, and here we can see different file as well, and here it is not finished yet, or it's finished, I'm not sure, maybe. Okay, it's done. It's done, sorry. Here, yeah. Final report. Here we have another files, final report as well, in history, ranked, but basically it's the idea is this, okay? Right now I'm creating, I'm probably, of course, I will change some code in here to improve. But this is the basically idea with my project. Next time I will show you more about it. Depends of my evolution and my decision. Maybe I can abort or just leave this way and start a new project or not. Depends of my goals. But right now, the most important things for you in understanding that we can create different projects using like this example, and how we can work with that. It's basically you can have some ideas in here as well, because the main point is how you work it in agents, how you can describe how the agents can take the decision by itself. Of course, this is just the simple way to describe the agents, but how he can do that, and we can create different class, and their class they have different responsibility to working on, and provide some results that will divide in different class. In the end, will be based on that one. In some points, they have like they need to have the information to take decisions. This is the hard that we think in agents. To when is the moment, why is doing that or not, and which information they need to have for change the direction. This is hard, and right now in my project, the agent it's in process, it's not done, but it's something. Okay, guys. Right now it's the end. Thank you so much. I'm appreciate your time. I know it's 20 minutes. It's a lot, but was a great and amazing time to show you something and discuss with you something that I'm really happy to work and suffer in a good way sometimes. Because sometimes doesn't work what I'm expecting and I need to think about it and thinking. But this is good. I love this and I will continue this. I will continue doing this for a long time. Guys, thank you. Bye bye.